Hello, blessed people. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. That begins now. Today, we're going to make a cup in Blender. So, today, now we can delete the light. Let's delete X, delete, yeah. We don't need to delete the camera, it's okay. The camera should be fine. We will need it later. So we're going to make a cup, a simple cup. And it's going to be good. So we can leave the default cube, just scale it up. And you can move around using middle mouse. Or you could hold shift and move with your middle mouse, and that can like move the viewport in a different way, like that, you see? So that's kind of cool. And yeah, let's start modeling. So there's different modes. We're gonna go to edit mode for this one. You can select face select or 3, and then press I, selecting the top face to insert it. Okay, now that we've extruded it, extrude it just a tiny bit down, just like that much, and then press P. Press P and press selection. So now you have 2 objects, and now if you go to object mode, you will see that you have 2 objects. Yay! Okay, now back to edit mode. And by the way, you can use tab to switch from edit mode and object mode. So we can select the new thing that we made, and then go to the modifier tab and add modifier and press ocean. Now you see it has become way bigger. Just select it and press S, and that will do the job. And move the arrow close to the dot to make it smaller, and that'll be good. Yeah. Now what you can do is just select it, GZ, and move it up to what you want, and that is good. And yay! Now you can select the cup itself, and then add a subdivision. Add a subdivision. Yep. And change the viewport to 2, and then right-click shade smooth. Maybe change it up to 6 actually, and then go to edit mode, and press Control R to add a loop cut, and then you'll see that yellow line, and then click, and then drag it, and then click again. And by the way, you can press Control Z to undo. And then do it on both sides, as you can see. Just follow along. Okay, nice. And as you can see, it's becoming a mug, kind of. Nice. Okay, now we can start renaming. So select a mug itself and press F2 on the top side, and then write in your name. Then select. Okay, now we can start adding the handle. So add mesh, add a cube. Now scale it down by pressing S. Don't move it. Don't press G. Don't move it anywhere. And then press the X-axis and press G now, and move it to where you want the handle to start. And then press SZ to scale it on the Z-axis. Then press GY, and I'm basically just putting it where I want it to be. Okay, I'm happy with that. And you don't want to touch that, because then that'll change the position of it. Now you can go to edit mode, go to face select, and select the first face and extrude a bit out. Okay, actually, what you can do is actually press the X-axis. That'll make it because if you don't, then it'll just go wobbly. So go to X-axis, selecting still the face, then press E to extrude, R rotate, E to extrude, and keep doing that until you reach what you want. So yeah, I'll fast forward. Okay, I'm done. Nice. Now you can go to object mode, scale it, and now position it to where you want. Right now I'm taking some time and doing it. I think that's what I want. And then right click shade smooth, go to the modifier tab. I'm already in it, and then add subdivision. So add subdivision, and then put the viewport up to what you want. So maybe 6. Then scale it up. Move it to where you want. Position it. By the way, if you see it like going back, that's me pressing Control Z. Yeah. I feel like yeah, that's good. I feel like that's good. Okay, now we can start parenting. So select the handle, then press Shift, select the water, then press Shift and select the mug at the last. Select the mug, the last, and then press Control P and press selection. No, press body. No, press parent. And then now if you select the mug and press G, you can move the whole thing. I think I need some tweaking. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. So see, now you can like do whatever you want, but only if you select the mug. Now let's do the background. So add in a plane and then press S and scale it like really big. And then go to like a position where you want the camera to snap to, and then press Control Alt numpad 0. Nice. Go to the render settings and change the resolution. I mean the size of the camera to that, and move it to where you want. Then press GZ to make it go up. And if you go to the render view mode, it looks very dark. And when I mean very dark, I mean very dark. So add light area, then press GZ to move it up. Then press middle mouse to go out of camera view, and then press Z on the, to go to the Z axis, and then press G and move the light to where you want it to be, like right on top of the cube, and then change the power up to 1500, and then move the light a bit up. Yeah, actually a lot up. And nice. Now we can press the Z axis again and just duplicate it. So press Shift D. Put 4. Yeah, like that. Okay, now we can do some materials. So select the mug. Go to the material tab. And press and change the. If you notice, if you change one of the settings, all of the other parented ones also affect the the settings in the materials also affect the other parented things. So what you can do is select the ocean and select the ocean and delete the shiny material that's in the mug, and then create a new one. You can like follow what I'm doing and change the color. Nice. So select the ocean. Yeah, as you can see. Create a new one for the ocean. Delete the old one. And then press new. Yeah. Now you can select the ocean and press new. Why am I calling this ocean? It doesn't matter. Just call it ocean. And then go down to the transmission. Turn the transmission up. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I don't know. I just like how the transmission is. And then I want it to be, I don't know actually what color I want it to be. Actually, how about milk? Yeah, I want it to be milk. Yeah, let's do milk. Yeah, I want it to be milk. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's what I want it to be. Okay. Now we can change the roughness down a bit. Select the handle, and set it to the same thing as the mug. Nice. Actually, let's change the color. Let's try aquamarine feather. Yeah, like that. That's what I want. And then select the background and then press new. And then I want like a yellowish one. Nice. Nice. That looks good. Now we can add some text. So file, go to add mesh and press text, and then press R X and then type in 90. Nice. And then move it to where you want it to be and press S to scale it up. And then go to edit mode and press delete and type in what you want. So I want milk. I want to type in milk. And then go to the camera view and then select the text and move it to where you want. So I'm just pressing GX to move it where I want. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now you can go to the font and you can go to the modifiers tab and get solidify modifier, and then put the offset all the way to 100 and change the thickness. Good, that's what I want. Now we can add a new material, change the roughness all the way down. Go to wait, what? No. I was just messing around. Okay, now we can go to the modify tab and add a subdivision surface modifier and change that up. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, now we can change the color of the text. So go to the material properties and go to the base color and change it to something that you like. I want like a reddish color, like a pastel reddish color. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, now what we can do is render animation, render image. Oh no, as you can see, there's something wrong. In the milk, it's a bit down, so you can see the cracks. But I have a solution. What you can do is actually scale it. That's the solution. Scale it. Yeah. Oh no, not too much. Don't scale it too much. You can see the milk coming out. So just try to make it just right, like in the Goldilocks story. Nice. That's what I call epic. Now you can press image, save as, save it to where you want it to save. Yeah. You don't need to bother what I'm doing right now, but yeah. Just save it to where you want, rename it to what you want, and yeah, pretty much it. So hopefully you like this video and you subscribed, and if you already know my channel and you're already subscribed, good for you. And I hope you've been following this tutorial. Other than that, bye.